and starts to manifest good things concerning you. Amen? Amen. Tell yourself, I've prayed, but I've stopped. I'm going to start laughing from today. The shofar has break of voices. Your victory comes when you're done with the struggle. You're done with the crime. You're surrendered. Every time you surrender, God will step in. Your business is going to grow by now. To reach 3 years, you're going to change into things to do with bridals. You're going to open 3 other restaurants. They'll be run. How will you manage it? Get your mother involved in the business. Yes. Don't say I didn't tell you. Better your mother eats your money than the workers. Praise Jesus. The voice of God is telling you, arise, shine, go and dominate. It's telling you, not somebody else. It's telling you that now you've cried. The fact that you're broken down, I am now coming to make you great. Until you break down, you will not make you great. Hard truth. God works with brokenness of the heart. We don't take it by force by fighting somebody. We use the spiritual ability of God. Say, my Father, I receive your favor. I receive your voice today to go out and prosper, to be elevated. In the name of Jesus, angel is visiting you. Huh? You do not know your day. Are you with me? Let's take up a prophetic seed, all of us. Take up a prophetic seed. Tell God what you want Him to do for you. Just tell the Lord what you want Him to do for you. We are talking about the voice of God. God is a God of koinonia. He loves relationship. He loves to speak to you and you to speak back to Him. Now speak to your seed. He is going to listen to what you desire and run with it in the box.